N2 and O2 are converted into monoions, that is N2 minus and O2 minus respectively. Which of the following statement is wrong? We have to find which is wrong. So option A, let us take. First, let us have a trick. So make it as 14. Here it is atomic number or number of electrons. And this is bond order. If it is 14, the bond order will be 3. And 15, 16, 17. The bond order decreases by 0.5, 2.5, 2 and then 1.5. Here 13, 12, 11 means here also it decreases by 0.5, 2.5, 2 and 1.5. It decreases by 0.5 and 0.5. This is number of electrons and this is bond order. So this is a small trick. First let us calculate for A. N2. N2, the number of electron, the atomic number of nitrogen is 7 and 7 the number of electron is 14. For N2 minus, the number of electrons will be 7 plus 7 plus 1, because if it is minus you have to add 1 electron. So total number of electron is 15. So if it is 14, the bond order is 3. If it is 15, the bond order is 2.5. What happens to the bond order? Bond order decreases, so that bond strength also decreases. So the NN bond weakens is the correct statement. So what is this? If you have more bond order, the strength of the bond will be more. If you have the bond order decreases, the bond strength also decreases. So this is the correct statement. Next, moving on to B. O2 minus. See, for O2, the number of electron is 8 plus 8, which is 16. If it is 16 electron, what is the bond order? The bond order is 2. That is O double bond O. Here N triple bond N. Bond order is 3 means you will be having 3 bonds. O2 minus. O2 minus means gain of 1 electron. So 8 plus 8 plus 1. Totally 17 electrons. If there is 17 electron, the bond order is 1.5. See what happens? The bond order increases, it is given, but what happens? The bond order decreases. This is the wrong statement. Let us check the other two. Going on to C. In O2 minus OO, bond order decreases. Yes, from 2 it is become 1.5. So this is correct statement. So for O2 you have the bond order 2 and for O2 minus you have the bond order 5, 1.5. So the bond order decreases is the correct statement. Then moving on to D, N2 minus becomes paramagnetic. See, N2, the number of electron is 7 plus 7, which is 14. 14 is a even number. This is dia. For N2 minus, what happens? 1 electron is added, that is 14 plus 1, gain of 1 electrons, and it becomes 15, which is odd, and this is para. So what is the trick for dia and para? Dia means all even except 10 electrons and 16 electrons. Then what is the condition for para? All odd including 10 electrons and 16 electrons will be paramagnetic. Others are dia. So even 14 is a even number, it is dia. If you have 10 means it will be para. For ours 14, number of nitrogen it is 14, so it is even number of electron, it is dia. When it becomes N2 minus, it is 15, and it is at odd number of electron, it becomes para. So this statement N2 becomes paramagnetic is also correct. So what is the wrong statement? In O2 minus, the oxygen bond order increases. No, the oxygen and oxygen bond order decreases. So this is the wrong statement.